The Creality Pika enters the 3D scanning market as a compact, ultra-lightweight option, weighing just 256 grams. Built for portability and high functionality, it features dual-depth cameras, an infrared projector, a laser projector, and an RGB camera with white and blue LEDs for color texture capture. Hardware controls include power and start/stop buttons on top, an active cooling vent, a standard 1/4-inch tripod thread, a USB-C port, and a dedicated switch to alternate between wired USB and wireless Wi-Fi modes. Powered by dual removable batteries with individual USB-C charging ports and LED status indicators, the unit delivers reliable multi-scan battery life for field work. In terms of core operation, the Pika functions as a true laser line scanner that connects wirelessly or via USB-C to desktop PCs or mobile devices running the Creality Scan software. Calibration requires standard reflective markers and the included glass calibration plate to fetch factory correction profiles over an internet connection. On the software side, the device supports manual and automatic scan alignment, point cloud fusion down to a 0.1 mm resolution, plane clipping, and automated mesh hole filling. Beyond high-resolution laser scanning, the Pika offers an infrared mode for markerless tracking at up to 30 frames per second, as well as an RGB mode for precise color texture mapping. When evaluated for engineering and technical applications, the scanner demonstrates high-level capabilities in precision, accuracy, and resolution. Testing across various geometry types confirms that its 0.1 mm maximum resolution and sub-50 micron dimensional accuracy match the performance thresholds of higher-tier industrial units. Its high precision allows it to easily register complex, thin-walled structures, such as automotive trim components, and align multiple scan passes without visible seam errors. While angular accuracy shows a slightly wider margin of error compared to flagship series, the overall feature set makes it an exceptionally capable tool for reverse engineering, quality control, and 3D printing workflows.